Hi, I'm Mike with Code Academy, and in this video, we're going to take a look at some of the tooling used in building Android apps. Specifically, the official integrated development environment for writing Android apps, Android Studio. Android Studio is based on a Java integrated development environment called IntelliJ IDEA, but it contains several additional features for building Android apps, including a customized code editor, code templates, a rich layout editor with support for drag and drop editing, and tooling to catch performance, usability, and version compatibility problems. It also allows you to easily run your app on device emulators as well as real devices extremely easily. One of the core features of Android Studio is that it uses Gradle as a build tool. Android applications can consist of hundreds or thousands of files worth of code, video, audio, and images, and these need to be packaged in a way that can be understood by the Android device, which is where Gradle comes in. The Gradle tool in Android Studio will package everything together in a compressed file called an APK, which can then be distributed and run on Android devices. Depending on the size and scope of your app, this process can take quite some time. Android Studio also includes a suite of emulators, which developers can use to test their apps. It comes prepackaged with emulators for many of the most popular Android devices in the world and allows you to plug in your own device as well to run apps in development. When you open Android Studio, it'll prompt you to either open an existing project or to create a new one. When creating a project, you can select from a number of pre-built templates or activities, or just a blank project to start. Each Android project consists of several files which define the layout, configuration, and logic behind your app. The text editor is designed specifically for Android development, so it'll give you code completion options, allow you to display multiple files at once, and even provides an interactive UI editor where you can design and test user interfaces. Now, the more you use Android Studio, the less intimidating it will become, and you'll soon find those features that you're using most often and learn to ignore those that you're not. And at the end of the day, remember, this is a tool designed to make your life easier.